Find the moment of each force about the point P. So P is the point here, and we know the perpendicular distance. This is perpendicular distance, this is a force. So moment about point P is force into perpendicular distance, that is 3. So this case the moment is 18, correct? Whereas here we don't know the perpendicular distance, we know distance at an angle 35 degrees. So first we need to find this length. What is this length? This length will be d into sine 35, correct? Josh, are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep. So perpendicular distance, that's the thing. So force is 12 into perpendicular distance, that is d sine 35. D is 8. So here we just need to put 8. Okay. So find it. That's it. So 12 into 8 into sine 35. 55.06. And what is the unit for moment? Unit is Newton meter. Newton
Yes.
meter. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So